Welcome, my name is Michael Alf, CEO Digital for Lawyers. Welcome to question number 9 about digital marketing for law firms. And the question is, how do we embrace specific knowledge of the legal industry? That's an excellent question, and when you think about, when you kind of do your research, there's so many digital marketing agencies or web designers out there, and yes, some of them are doing a very, very good job. And that's great. But wouldn't it be even better to have somebody who actually understands the industry and can provide that specific industry knowledge? For example, how to create high converting landing pages for law firms so that you have high converting pay-per-click advertisement, which is probably one of the biggest levers, especially if you're in the private law space. So you might want to look for somebody actually who understands the industry, who is specialized and focused on the industry, where you can talk the specific language, and then you get more out of the digital marketing activities and initiatives, and you get a tailored solution which helps you to grow your business. So look around, and this is one of the reasons why we, as Digital for Lawyers, really specialize on the law, on the kind of legal industry. We constantly develop more content, more expertise, which is specific reports, for example. But there's also more where we actually collect and produce and develop new content which is relevant to you, to your industry, so that we can add more value to you in your problems and help you even better. This question is part of a series of 10 questions around digital marketing for law firms. If you want to access the other 10 questions and short videos, go to videos.digitalforlawyers, and the 4 as a number, .com.au. videos.digitalforlawyers.com.au, and you get access to the other 9 short videos and questions as well. So go there now and enjoy and take the most out of the question. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.